Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to stow your stock middle row seat in 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. This is gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 and all the way up to 2020, and Chrysler Town & Countries made from 2011 and all the way up to 2016. Your stow and go seat in good working condition should fold and then stow once when you pull this lever up. But instead, when you do this, the seat will just fold, but it won't flip to go into the floor. Even if I pull this string again, it doesn't wanna fall down. So in this case, if you wanna stow your seat into the floor, you need to go behind this seat and then check the middle of the seat and try to find this lever here. So you can come from underneath with your hand just like that, and what you want to do, you want to push it up. So when you push this lever up just like that, you are able to lift your seat up just like that. And now when your seat is up, you can just stow it into the floor. So I'm going to show you once again here. Now when I have this seat up, so basically you need to find this lever. You see it's right in the middle of the seat on the back side. So when it's down, you just want to come underneath and push it up. So that way, if you have any emergency and you really need to move this seat out of the way, this is how you do it to stow it. Now to fix this for good, you will have to take seat apart and replace this cable. So that cable runs from here and then goes over here. It's attached just under this plastic cover. But like I said, yeah, to do that you will have to remove this cushion so you have access to that cable, and then remove the old one and replace it with new one. But if you don't want to do that, you can always just, lift it up like that, push on this lever and then lift it up and stow it. Or what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna improvise and I'm gonna attach some strings to here, so I don't have to reach all the way down when the seat is down, so I can just maybe pull it from up here and then stow it. I'm gonna use one zip tie and this cloth string. I'm gonna try to attach it to here, so I have it right about here, and then see if I can, pull on that and stow this seat. I'm gonna fit this zip tie through this opening, and now you can see how that looks like. So I'm gonna try put it back down and then try to pull on that, see if I can stow the seat up. And now when I look back, I see my little string, so I'm gonna try to pull it and it goes right up. And this will work for me perfectly fine, and I don't have to replace this cable. So you see, it's right there. You can attach something there. You don't have to go all the way underneath. Just pull it up and it goes right up. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.